hostility.
I want to get adjusted too. So I think we should. What?
Hostility. There you go. Power's on.
Grazie, mi amor. That was awesome.
We're in London, England, and I'm going to give an adjustment here. And here's the Czar. So let's go face down.
Yeah.
Okay, sit up. Czar, have a straddle right here face that way. And into this pattern up. Elbows together. Just relax the elbows underneath the chin. And lie back down. Good. Right and back. That's our working out to come a little bit this way. Just relax your head right there. The Czar needs some work here. Oh. Feel that?
Yeah.
Still a little bit there. A little more. Relax. There we go. Good. All right, power's on.
The power is on.